What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Hiker Trash channel. Subscribe, brother. Hey, what's going on, guys? We got the premium white chicken here, lemon pepper sauce, nice tortilla. Forgot the tortillas. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Get the whole thing. We got beef jerk, little Cliff Bar action.
Coffee Cliff Bar.
Coffee Cliff Bar. I need that boost.
I love my coffee.
And let's not forget the fajita chicken. And then for dinner, we got something big. That's gonna be nice. Coming up soon, or in a few hours.
Yeah, well, that's all for now. We'll see you later.
So this should fill it right to the brimmer. Couple little things of debris in there, but that's good protein, you know. All right, don't worry about that. There you go, Emmett.
Thank you, brother.
Full Nalgene. You're welcome. Anything you want to say on YouTube?
Check out my OnlyFans.
I'm not kidding. Is that the trail? Is this it? No way. No fucking way. We are rock climbing it. Not kidding.
Slap the bag! Slap the bag!
Oh, hold on. There you go. Yeah, what's up, guys? We got a huge... No, don't do that. We got a huge dinner prepared here. Pasta sides, some chicken, and nothing like a little wing seasoning mix. As you all put in with your pasta sauce.
Garlic parm, baby.
Yeah, garlic parm, baby. We're going in. We did 12 miles today, about half with full packs at the base of the mountain here, and then we hiked two peaks with the day packs. Pretty solid day. How do you beat it? We got it nice and low down there. Chefing it up good. Emmett's grabbing some wood for the old little fire.